In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Hostinger domain to your Framer project. By the end, your custom domain will point directly to your Framer site so visitors can access it with your own branded web address. Let's start inside Framer. First, open the project you want to connect to your domain. Make sure this is the project that's ready to go live, because once the domain is connected, anyone who visits that domain will see this specific project. Once the project is open, look to the top right corner of the Framer interface. You'll see a small gear icon which represents the project settings. Go ahead and click that. When the settings panel opens, you'll notice a menu along the left-hand side. This is where you manage things like publishing and configuration. From this left sidebar, select the option labeled Domains. This is the dedicated area where Framer handles everything related to custom domains and DNS. On the Domains page, you'll see options for adding or managing connections. Look for the button that says Connect a Domain You Own. This is what you use when you've already purchased a domain from a provider like Hostinger and you just want to link it to your Framer project. Click that button to continue. A field will appear asking you to enter your domain name. Type in your full domain, such as yourdomain.com, without any extra paths or pages. You usually don't need to include www here. Framer handles that configuration through DNS records. Double check the spelling, because even a small typo will prevent the connection from working properly. Once it looks correct, click continue. After you do that, Framer will generate a set of DNS records for you. These records tell Hostinger's servers where to send traffic when someone types your domain into a browser. Typically, you will see records like A records or CNAME records. Each record will have a type, a name or host, and a value or target. At this stage, it's helpful to keep the Framer window open, because you'll need to copy these records into your Hostinger account exactly as they appear. Even small differences in the host or value can break the connection, so take your time and be precise. If Framer shows multiple records, each one needs to be added to Hostinger. Now switch over to your Hostinger control panel in a new tab, go to the DNS or domain management area for the domain you just entered in Framer, and add the records that Framer is showing you. Match the type, the host, and the value for each one. Once all the records from Framer have been added and saved in Hostinger, return to the Framer domain section and look for any indicators that the DNS is being detected. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully update across the internet. It might work within a few minutes, or it could take a couple of hours. After waiting a bit, visit your domain in a browser. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your Framer project loading at your Hostinger domain. That's all you need to do to connect a Hostinger domain to your Framer site.